My name is Jeremiah. I'm a first year in culinary, and I learned how to fry chicken tenders and fries. And I know how to bake a cake now and brownies.
Hello, my name is Eve, and I'm in the construction class of Mr. Moore, class of 2026, soon to be 2026. And right now, we're just learning about, well, we're really just putting on some bricks, but it's really like learning about the blueprints and just reading, like, it's a blueprint, but we're learning about it's like how to do it and then how to level the bricks and stuff like that, the wires and stuff like that. For the HVAC, what we really did was just we took it over from over there to here, and we kind of disassembled it, and then from us disassembling, like we kind of just learned about like how it kind of works and stuff like that, and then about our OSHA, and then just been building this and stuff like that. And because I pretty much see like I want to learn as much as possible. So anything that's happening in the class, that's just what I want to do. But my main focus is either HVAC or electric.
My name is Angel. I'm a first year in the heavy equipment program. So far, we've been learning by just hanging around with the second years, seeing how they do things in the real world, just learning how to weld, learning how to cut with a torch, just general hands-on experience. Yeah, my future goal in this is to hopefully work enough to make up my own company and have my own company working on equipment.
My name is Adrian Lasoya, and I'm a student here at iTECH for heavy equipment. And I've been here for 2 years, my second year. I'd recommend this program to anyone that's looking to jump in and learn more about the trades, because we do all types. We do like electric work, we do hoses and stuff like that, hydraulic. We got a bunch of welding, all that fun stuff. It's the best of both worlds. We do it all. I got a job, on-the-job training with the Elevated Service Group. I learned a bunch of things there about rigging, more welding, more of what we've been doing here, but just more in depth. If it wasn't for iTECH, I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't have the opportunity that I was given, and I'm just glad to be a part of everything.
So I've been doing on-the-job training for about since November. I started working at Mercedes-Benz. It was like the first 2 weeks I was maybe a loop tech, and then first just started working on heavy diesels like the Sprinter techs. And then after that I started working on regular vehicles. I have around-the-job training, and they helped me out a lot for sure. Really good experience, very helpful, especially in this program, that I get to bring what I learned here into that work area. Lower starting pay areas happen, especially because of people with inexperience, no knowledge, and no background working on cars. Now that I've worked here and I've used all my tools in my hands as well, my pay grade has gone significantly up in the last maybe 6 months. I started off around 18. Then when I got my first flat rate position, I was around 24. After that, gradually went up to 40, if I'm not mistaken, around there. So for sure, I had a very nice incline with learning, on-the-job training as well, and such and such. And as well as iTECH helped me out very much in the future. In the past, not really going through a significant amount of what I wanted to do in life. I was really just lost in high school, getting in trouble, getting in fights, getting kicked out. And then when I got into iTECH, knowing that I had a 2.0 GPA was the last scar for honestly what I wanted to do. And it really helped me out, just focus on what did I want to do in my life, especially give me a route and what I wanted to pursue in a career. And ever since then, I never looked back. I love the job, I love the school. I think it's helped me out so much tremendously for kids who don't know what they want to do in life. For sure, recommend it to everybody else.
Hello, I'm Noah Avalos. Now I'm studying machining, precision machining, and later on I'm gonna try to go into CME, which is mainly focused on CNCs, as you can see. Right now, well, since the summertime, I've been working at Salazar Machining and Steel, and so far I like it. Right now, it is my second semester, not my second, I'm sorry, my third semester, but I look forward to coming back pretty soon.
Hello, my name is Nieves. I'm in the machining program here at iTECH, and I've learned how to use the lathe, how to taper on the lathe, and how to use the mill, which I just got done cleaning right now, and learning how to do everything as the process is taught to me.
Hi, I'm Christian. I've been here since January for about 7 months in the accounting course. So far I've accumulated about 7 certifications, and I'm looking forward to being able to join the accounting field. So I've gotten hands-on experience via modules that we do that gives us, how do you must avoid, it was hands-on training on how the accounting profession is. So the simulator work will prepare us to be ready for a future career in the accounting field.
My name is DJ. I've been in the accounting program for around 3 weeks now. We've been learning how to work on Excel spreadsheets on the computer, and I'm hoping to build a career off of what I've learned so far.
Hi, my name is Eleni. I just started a multimedia program, and the main things that I'm working throughout this program is just to help me for my future career. I like this class because I get to use my creative mind and not do something blind, and hopefully use this as a future career. And I like it.
Hello, my name is Enrique. I've been in the digital media program for a couple months now, and I remember a lot of few things in the short amount of time, I guess, that I've been here. I got to work on a lot of different programs such as Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, and Premiere Pro. The one that really got me in, or the one I learned more about in this program that I'm really interested in, is the Premiere Pro one, which is a program that lets you like just work on video editing and learning a lot of different techniques that you could, work on a video for. This program really does help you with a lot. Teaches you many different skills that you could apply to, like, for different jobs. I'd say it's a pretty helpful class since I kind of wanted to get into the digital media business. Didn't know much about it, but the more time I spent in this class, the more I learned the new different techniques, like on how to create like logos for businesses, or how to make, I guess, promotional videos like ads and all that. It's all really helpful stuff that I think you use towards like real jobs and like real world things. I think that's a good thing about this class. It really does help you. You learn a lot, and you really get to like experiment by yourself too. There's a lot of things that you can do on your own. You don't really have to necessarily always like do assignments here in class, which is a good thing. You get a lot of freedom, and being in this class, you really want to have something like that. Be creative and always work on different things.
Hi, my name is Zeke Martinez, and what I'm learning in computer informational tech is basically just learning how to become an IT, learning software, hardware, and right now I've learned basic IT stuff, how to troubleshoot computers, how to install different parts, and this is really going to help me in my career because I want to go manufacture more computer parts for big tech companies, and this class is really going to help me out for that. Yeah, I'm so glad that iTECH has this class, because if I wanted to take this class, I wouldn't be able to at the regular high school. So I'm glad I was given the opportunity to take this class, learn the things I want to learn for my future career, and just be free to learn what I want to learn.
I'm Evie. I am a new cosmetology student here at iTECH. This is my 4th week now, and I already feel like I've learned so much. Every day I go home feeling like I learned something. Last week we did highlights. I learned a long layer cut, learned how to do a blowout, and a lot of other things that I can't really remember right now because there's just so many things that we've been doing every day. What I really look forward to do is getting more advanced in color and learning extensions, because I've never done that before. I am excited to do cutting too, but mostly coloring.
Hi, my name is Mama Rodriguez. This is my 2nd year in the program. I've learned the basic skills of being a CNA, and I plan to pursue a travel nurse after this, and it's gave me a lot of insight on how I would be with patients, how I'd work with them, communicate, and just the basics of their everyday living. The things I've learned that can help me in my career is how to talk to a patient and just knowing the basic understandings of like what they go through and how you can help them cope with it, and then also learning like more insight on how to work with other patients based off one patient. Thankfully, iTECH has given me this opportunity to get hands-on experiences and learn from the CNA herself.
Hi, my name is Didi. I just started the LPN program here at iTECH. We are currently learning about the fundamentals of nursing. We are learning some of the rules and regulations of stuff that we have to learn when it comes to nursing. The biggest thing that I am excited for is the hands-on learning. I am a CNA already, so moving forward with my education in my career is something that I'm very excited to do.